Oh my god, why do I look like this?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are reviewing. I'm sweating. For today's video, we are opening up my Boxycharm. I know. So crazy, so fun. Yeah, so I'm gonna open up my Boxycharm for the month of July. Let's see what's in here. I have no idea. Oh my god, a face mask. I had no idea that this was gonna be in here. It's just so crazy how like I don't have makeup on already, so I can just put this thing on. Okay. It says it's by the brand Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. It's a nourishing prebiotic green mask. Okay. It says feed the skin with this versatile super
mask formulated with avocado and broccoli seed oils, rich in omega fatty acids, to help support the skin's moisture barrier. Vitamin C and passion fruit acids help brighten for a fresh-looking complexion.
Okay. How do I apply this? It says, apply the mask twice weekly on cleansed skin, whatever. A slight tingling may occur while the mask works its magic. Remove after 10 minutes with a damp, dark cloth. Okay. I don't have like a brush to apply this, so I'm just going to apply it with my hands.
Oh
my god, it's like a... Wait, what the heck? Why do I feel like... I should have put my hair up. Jed! Help! Jordan? Is no one gonna answer to me? Because my siblings don't care about me, I'm going to be right back and I'm gonna go put my hair up because no one in this world loves me. Okay, so I'm going to leave this on for 10 minutes as directed. What is that? What is that? What is that? Oh, it's my hair. I'm gonna leave this on for 10 minutes and then I'm going to wash it off. I literally did not do a good job in applying this. I don't care. Who keeps sending messages?
hi.
They also gave you a coupon that gives you $10 at the Ulta Skin Bar. I can get a flash facial. Wait, why don't we get this one? Why we gotta get this moosey one? I'll be back in like 10 minutes, I guess. So irritating. Oh, first of all, do you guys like my mug? Leo, cancer season is almost over, thank God. And then we get to finally dive into Leo season. Cancer season it hasn't done much of anything for me, if I'm being honest. But Leo season is slowly but surely approaching and I'm act up. That's all I gotta say, I'm gonna act up. Okay, so I just went ahead and did my full face already, using the same products I always use, nothing too special. That's not the point. We're here for the palette. So, in the box, I got the Butter London palette. Very neutral shades with like some pops of color, but nothing too out there, I guess. It's a very, I've noticed that Butter London makes a lot of natural, you know, looking products and stuff. And don't they make nail polishes too? I'm not sure, but I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup. I'm going to try my best to, actually, no, you have to use another palette with this because like there are no transition shades. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, and I'm gonna fast forward through this, I guess, because that's what Kathleen Lights does. So let's get into it. Alrighty, I finished using the palette. Also, I didn't get these lashes signed in the Boxycharm, but these lashes are so nice. These are the Kiss True Volume Pumped Up Effect lash in the style Ritzy Natural Black. The shadows were really nice. The shimmers were super good. I used Queen on the center of my eyelid. I used Star on the bottom lash line just to, you know, add a pop of color in there. And then I used Enchantress in the inner corner of my eyes. Overall, really cute, like, natural palette. It has some pops of color in there, but the shimmers are so nice. Like, these are really good. Like, I'm definitely gonna be reaching in for Queen, because that's, like, are you kidding? Super cute. I love it. The next thing we got in the box is this gel liner in the color Desert Taupe by the brand Appeal. So this is a liner. It's just, I'm gonna swatch it real quick. Oh, it's a nice, just brown liner. I'm gonna put this, where do I want to put this? I'm gonna put this on my bottom waterline. This was really nice. It doesn't feel like irritating at all because my eyes are very sensitive. So when I, like, in my makeup tutorials, when I use my, what do I use? Oh yeah, when I use this one, the one I always use, my nude one by Rimmel London, it irritates my eyes so much. Like, I'm on the verge of tears. This was actually really nice. I have very sensitive eyes, didn't irritate them at all. Like, that was so easy to put on. Wait, what the heck? Really good. I really like this. It's just your regular light brown. We have the Alamar Cosmetics Mother of Pearl Gloss. It says it's a juicy shade shifting lip illuminizer
drenched with pearlescent reflex, formulated with rich seed buckthorn extract and camellia oil. Camellia? This Mother of Pearl Gloss will hydrate your lips while delivering a smooth, shiny, iridescent effect, completely non-sticky, wear it alone or over your favorite lip liner to lipstick. Gluten-free, talc-free, and always cruelty-free.
This is what it looks like. This is the Mother of Pearl Gloss in the shade Sirenita. Kind of cute. Okay. Look.
¡Qué bonita!
Mm-hmm.
¿Ya terminaste?
No, me tengo que pintar con esto. Y ya. Ay, se me olvidó ponerme el rímel abajo, pero...
I like it.
Thank you, mamá.
Píntate una rayitita aquí negra.
Ok.
Y luego te la disimulas, esa. Con la brocha negra o café, pero
Ajá.
que esté más oscura. Entonces nomás te haces así y luego ya nomás le haces así. Y el ojo se te va a ver como redondo, así como
Ok.
profundo.
Y'all hear that? Okay.
I love you.
I love you. I've just been advised on how to do my makeup, so. In case y'all don't know what she said, she told me to go in with a brown and put it underneath here a bit. Oh my god, why was she kind of right? That looks like way better. She's so annoying. How does she come up with these things? Okay, we're gonna go on this one. This is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil in the shade Deep. This used to be, oh my god, my eye. This used to be my favorite lip liner. Okay, so I just lined my lips with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil in the shade Deep. And now I'm gonna go in with this lip gloss. It's very pink. I'm gonna swatch it real quick. Oh. Y'all see that? Oh my god. Wait. This packaging is very deceiving. Let's see. Oh. Oh my god. It smells like coconut and pineapple.
That smells so good.
Okay, so this is the completed look. Actually came out a lot better than I had expected it to. Okay, so let's go over the prices, shall we? Okay, so the face mask came out to be $35. That's expensive. This is 35 bucks. Wow. Okay. The Butter London eyeshadow palette is $32 for 6 shades. $32. Oh my god. Wait, what the heck? Why is that so expensive?
Oh my god, wait, the brushes?
The 3-piece brush set, $30. That's $10 for each brush. And then the lip gloss, the Alameda Cosmetics lip gloss came out to be $10. And the gel liner is $21. And I got this whole box for $21. I'm gonna calculate. Let me calculate these numbers real quick because I can't do mental math. Okay, so this whole box is worth $128. And I got it for 21 bucks. That's a steal. Honestly, as I said in my last Boxycharm video, I love Boxycharm. They give you such good products at such an affordable price, and these products are worth so much more, and I definitely recommend Boxycharm. And yeah. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe down below. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!